because all projects are here because it's not a call for KZN only. Our president open our industry, the whole value chain. If our president can open one event, the person who's a graphic designer who designs posters will get something. The person who put up posters will get something. The PR, the all it's a value chain before it goes to the event. Some people here, we've got people who've got fans, we've got big bouncers. Yes, it's a national protest.
And what's the word from the
Yes, what we did on Thursday, we did send the memorandum to the president's office. We're waiting for the response. But we want our president, when he speaks on it, to include the industry, because our industry is very important, and especially in the youth who are not working. We are trying to help because our industry it's hiring lots and lots of youth people.
But this engagement is also happening at a city level, right?
Yes.
So how's that going? Because surely the city also has a certain degree of control as well in those discussions.
Yes, we met on Thursday with the mayor, Mr. Nkosi Kaunda, and he gave us a delegation which led by our city manager and two we met on Friday with them, and yesterday we're busy engaging. What we are doing, we are coming with a plan to how we're going to manage this 70% that we are pleading for. We must keep the regulation of COVID-19. We understand everything. That's why we are saying 70%, while other industries have opened 100%.
Just ask, are you convinced that patrons in these clubs will be able to stay safe with those extra numbers in those clubs?
Yes, we will put all our regulations under the COVID-19. That's why we are working with our government. We've got delegation that we are meeting today at 3. We've got delegation from health, we've got delegations from economic development, we've got delegation from arts and culture. Together with the city, we are coming up with a plan in how this 70% is going to work. We don't want to just say we want 70%, but as the industry, we understand our industry, we know what we want. That's why we're asking for this 70%.
Thank you very much. Rebecca, that was one of the answers. They're explaining that they are still in the government to see if they